This is our first pack rafting trip ever, and we're in Bacalar, Mexico.
And it is absolutely gorgeous!
We've returned to Bacalar, Mexico, but this time it's different. We're here to enjoy the beautiful area in a different way. We have brand new pack rafts, and we are taking on some epic spots like the channel de Los Piratas and Los Rapidos. Bacalar is located in the southern section of the Mexican state of Quintana Roo.
It's time to give Bacalar another chance. We got some really cool stuff with us, and we're going to blow it up now and head onto the water.
We deprived ourselves of exploring the water on our Pan American trip, and with these new inflatable pack rafts, we no longer have that worry. It takes about 5 minutes to blow them up, which is nothing compared to the hours we can spend on the water. In Bacalar, there are many free places to park that also offer places to launch any sort of watercraft.
Make sure you don't have to swim behind it already. Now, are we going for the first prize of elegance?
I always get first prize of least elegant. So.
Travis's very first time ever getting into a pack raft.
Yeah.
It's not as sturdy as what we what we used yesterday.
Oh no! Can you help?
Oh, I have to help?
Yes!
Here, I'll pull you closer.
Thank you. And don't float away like I did.
Ta-da! See? That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
Oh yeah! Look at that!
Yeah, there you go.
So where are we going?
That way, across.
Oh.
It takes us about 20 minutes to cross the Bacalar Lagoon to get to our first destination in the area. Our first time using pack rafts, we need to get used to how they work. But we finally make it to the infamous spot which is known for pirate raids.
So right now we're in the Pirates channel, the channel de Los Piratas here in Bacalar. And this was originally a meeting point for northern and southern Mayan cultures to trade things such as spices, food, and fine wood materials. And eventually, famous pirates got wind of this, that there was these exotic items being traded here. So pirates like Francis Drake and Henry Morgan ended up coming here to exploit this area, and that's how it got its name, the Channel de los Piratas.
And that's how this fort came to being as well. Used to attack and deter pirates from entering the lagoon, it still stands perfectly intact as it has for hundreds of years. Further down from the Channel de los Piratas, you can keep going further into the Laguna Mariscal.
Good job.
The water, incredibly shallow and clear, offers a great paddling experience. Because it's so shallow, the larger boats cannot enter this area. You can paddle here all day if you feel so inclined, as there are lots of wildlife like birds and fish. However, don't try and get out, as the lagoon floor is incredibly soft and you might disappear.
Are you okay?
The water is so nice, and the ground is actually hard. You could walk here.
You're not.
Further in, you can't walk in. You slip up to your knees. It's not fun. Don't try it.
And it smells like sewage when you come out. That's great too. Oh, my boat is going.
The Bacalar Lagoon is known as the Lagoon of Seven Colors because of the several shades of blue from its nearly perfect translucent water. While the water is what attracts both foreign and local tourists, the city has its own incredible charm and is easily one of our favorite places in all of Quintana Roo. Moving on to the next amazing rafting area on the lagoon, we're heading to Los Rapidos. By way of this campsite that we knew has an amazing dock to set off from, as we've stayed at this location before. Not as open or as crowded, this will be a different rafting experience as we follow the coastline to Los Repidos. Time to see if Lindsay can make it into her boat without any mishaps. Can she do it? Nope. One other small issue with the rafts we are finding has to do with weight distribution.
The moment you stop paddling with your pack raft, it starts turning around. So now I'm going backwards. So I gotta keep paddling, because the moment I want to stop and film, I just start turning all over the place.
Yeah. Looks like it's about to get pretty narrow. I think we found the entrance to Los Torpedoes. Let's check this out.
Even more narrow than before, we are finally entering Los Repidos. Surrounded on both sides by the living rocks known as stromatolite, we must be careful not to come into contact with these reef-like structures, to not puncture the boat or damage the marine life. Los Repidos is completely set up as a tourist destination, but we didn't mind as this location is extremely gorgeous from both the ground and the air. Heading north along Los Repidos takes you with the current, so you don't need to paddle and can instead focus on the stunning natural beauty. There is a full-service kitchen and bar here as well, so you can surprisingly spend hours in Los Repidos. There are so many things to do. But we are here to raft this magical place. You can, however, be dragged along a giant inflatable flamingo singing 90s karaoke songs with a drink in your hand, if that's your thing.
This was fun, but paddling it upstream has been really challenging. So we came up with another idea. We're going to walk our pack rafts on this boardwalk as far as we possibly can to save a little bit of our already super tired arms.
It's not called Los Repidos for nothing. It's much easier walking the boardwalk to head south instead of paddling. Just be sure not to step on the stromatolites. There are so many ways to enjoy the Laguna of Seven Colors. Our favorite is by boat, obviously. Let us know if you've ever been here or if you want to go, and how you plan on experiencing this amazing place.